In this video, we will discuss about computer-aided drawing software programs. So here we have free CAD software programs. Number 1. 123D is a suite of software developed by Autodesk, including tools for sculpting, modeling, drawing, creating circuit projects, 3D file manipulation, and much more. The suite is geared for beginning users and enable them to produce compelling models with relatively simple tools. ThinkerCAD, although hosted separately, was added to the suite in 2013. Number 2. Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D animation and modeling program. It supports a broad array of 3D processing, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, composition, and motion tracking. It even enables video editing and video game creation. OpenScripts enable further customization since the entire project is community driven and free. Frequent updates and changes to the original source code are released, giving Blender more responsiveness than some larger, more tightly controlled programs. FreeCAD is a parametric 3D modeler. Parametric modeling allows you to easily modify your design by going back into your model history and changing its parameters. FreeCAD is open source and completely modular, allowing for very advanced extension and customization. It also lends itself very well for scripting since nearly every feature can be accessed through its Python API. autocad is a free software for creating solid 3D models. Unlike Blender or ThinkerCAD, autocad focuses specifically on the mechanical dimensions and properties of CAD models instead of their artistic properties. It is ideal for creating machine parts and detailed mechanical models. It is not, however, useful for creating animated movies or graphical renderings. SketchUp is a free 3D design program created by Trimble. It includes a library full of free 3D models, which anyone can use and to which anyone can contribute. Its layout feature enables 3D models to be converted into realistic drawings easily. These can be exported in a variety of file types in addition to the ordinary export options afforded to its 3D modeling suite. ThinkerCAD, unlike standalone 3D modeling software, exists only online and functions on a variety of browsers. Although Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox are recommended, ThinkerCAD has a low barrier to entry and is free to use. Beginning users are guided through the 3D design process with lessons, teaching basics before allowing users to move on to more advanced techniques. Founded in 2011, the software package was acquired by Autodesk in 2013, was rolled into the 123D family of products.